This is 7 National News, and in our top story, in his capacity as the ruler of Dubai, the UAE Vice President and Prime Minister, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, has issued a decree ratifying the pricing mechanism for the services of the Dubai Health Authority. The decree stipulates that the prices of various diagnostic and therapeutic services provided by the DHA will be fixed through a decision by the Director General of the DHA after a written approval from the Department of Finance. The decree also makes it mandatory to adopt a manual prepared by the department as the basis for the pricing of the services provided by the DHA. With regard to the incurring of costs of services provided by the DHA, the decree stipulates that either the patient or the health insurance firm should bear them in accordance with the tariff. The Abu Dhabi Executive Council has announced a number of new budget rises, boosted the number of academic scholarships and vocational schools, and injected up to 5 billion dirhams into Abu Dhabi's pension funds. The announcement came after an Executive Council meeting on Wednesday. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces and the Chairman of the Executive Council, stated at the meeting that the provision of well-being standards for all nationals is a key priority and a focus of overall state strategy. The changes include the setting up of an Industrial Development Bureau in Abu Dhabi, which will plan and manage industrial areas in the Emirate and facilitate economic development. 197 million dirhams is also to be spent over 4 years on scholarships for Emirati students that will cover study at home and abroad. This morning, 15 Dubai customs officials were awarded by international company DHL for their outstanding achievements, dedication and commitment to supporting legitimate trade in the UAE. With the aim of crossing borders effectively and efficiently, the German mail service provider honoured the Dubai government entity on the role it plays in supporting and facilitating courier companies' business in the Emirate. Creating a 24/7 inspection section dedicated to these companies has reflected positively in the incoming goods and parcels received by sea and air mail. Saving time, effort and cost while transferring packages from one place to another, as well as following the department's checkup policies and procedures, were pointed out as key objectives.
Dubai is one of the biggest cargo hubs in the world. And thus it's a very important operation for DHL as a global logistics operator. So Dubai Customs is very advanced. It's all about speed, ease of use, and in international transport you have to cross borders, which means customs is involved. And this is a great place to do that, and Dubai Customs helps us a lot.
Customs officials stated that by receiving recognition from DHL provides encouragement and motivation, as well as a trustworthy partnership.
It motivates me and motivate also my team. But the good things about Dubai Customs staff, they are all-time motivated and they are willing to do their best to support the business and the economy in Dubai.
A blood donation can save up to 4 people's lives and confirms that every blood donor is a hero, as campaigned and highlighted by the UAE Ministry of Health. Today, the 14th of June, marks World Blood Donor Day, and Assistant Undersecretary for Medical Practice and Licence at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Amin Hussein Al-Amiri, is keen on participating in social events, reassuring that blood transfusion plays an important role in the health sector, as it serves health facilities, patients and hospitals, in addition to saving lives. Last night, the Sharjah Blood Transfusion and Research Centre, together with ministry officials, honoured blood donors and participants of blood transfusion services. Al-Amiri stated that the UAE is the first Arab country to host and celebrate the World Blood Donors Day since the inception in 2008.
This is the World Blood Donor Day, which comes always every year, 14th of June. That's the date of the birth of Professor Landsteiner, who discovered the ABO system. And UAE always celebrates at this occasion. And in fact, UAE were the first Arab country worldwide to host the World Blood Donor Day. That was 2008, under the patronage of His Highness, the President of the country. And since then, we are celebrating every year to appreciate the efforts from the blood donors who gave their precious blood. And also we do appreciate the efforts of the ministries, universities, institutes, private companies, and the schools who supports the blood donation campaigns.
Donors present at the ceremony stressed the importance of donation and giving back to the community, as well as encouraging individuals to follow suit.
We hold blood donations every year in Abu Dhabi. We have 2 a year for the public and 2 for the staff.
Well, it's very important because it's giving a life to other people's, and that's make me feel better and happy about it.
The Dubai Health Authority announced today that it has launched a quit smoking helpline. The 24-hour toll-free number 800-123-QUIT or 7848 will guide smokers on how to quit smoking. Dr. Ahmed bin Kalban, the CEO of primary healthcare sector at the DHA, said the implementation of the quit smoking line is as per the directives of Qadi Saeed Al Marushid, the Director General of the Dubai Health Authority, and is part of the overall tobacco-free Dubai project. And up next to have the day's business news, so stay with us.